Hi, I have in front of me on the table a Humax HDR-1100S power supply. It's available with low-cost small parcel delivery directly from freetv.ie. So this is filling a niche in the market where you're either after damaging or losing the power supply for your Humax unit, and you need to just buy a power unit that's designed to work specifically with it. So let's look at the key features of it here. So the first thing is the power rating on this is 12 volts, 5 amps. If we come along here, we'll look at the plug. It's a 3-pin plug. It's CE approved. And then we just come along here, we'll actually just see there's an adapter on the end. So one thing specific about the Humax range of boxes is that it has a specific power input here. So we just have an adapter that slides directly on and it'll work directly and perfectly with it. So this is what we've used ourselves for some period of time for any Humax boxes that we're sending back out where the power unit is missing. We simply add one directly like this in. So we have ones available for the full range of Humax boxes. So we just buy it, click it in, and it'll work automatically.